So my name's Liam Harrison. I work for a company called Endress+Hauser. I'm currently on a 4-year apprenticeship training to be an instrumentation repair and calibration technician. As I say, I'm on a 4-year apprenticeship, a level 3 course in advanced manufacturing operations. I've also done a level 2 as a prerequisite, and yeah, that's essentially it. I knew I wanted to do something in engineering. I've always been a hands-on kind of learner, and I've always been one for engineering. I grew up sort of working on cars and doing electronic repairs and stuff like that. So I've always known that I wanted to do something in engineering, but when it comes to it, I wasn't sure where to go. I actually started college before I got into work on an apprenticeship or anything. I started college on a level 3 and decided it wasn't the route for me, which is when I started looking at apprenticeships. And luckily enough, I found the apprenticeship of Endress+Hauser on the government website. Sent my application off, had 2 interviews, and that was it. I'd never heard of process instrumentation, or I didn't even know it was a sector that existed. And yeah, that's a large part of why I'm here now. For me, it's the hands-on experience, like I say, the fact that I'm learning while I'm earning, and you know, it's something that you can't get anywhere else. Nothing is comparable to an apprenticeship. College is a completely different ballgame. When you go and do an apprenticeship and you're physically, working on the devices, your knowledge is built different. It's hard to explain. I spend a lot of time thinking about where I'm going to go in my career, and there's so many different routes and paths that I can take. I think it'd be hard for me to sit here now and say definitively this is where I'm going to end up. But I think I want to end up in management, where I'm not sure, doing what I'm not sure. Right now, my current plan is, so I'm currently office based. I work in a workshop. My current plan is to get my apprenticeship finished in the workshop, and then hopefully get out into field, field service, essentially doing the same role that I am now, but just on site. And then going from there, hopefully maybe do some management courses and start building my knowledge up on that kind of area, and then going from there. It's like I say, it's hard for me to sit here and predict exactly where I'm going to be, but yeah, hopefully somewhere in management.